plan ahead and be prepared. Or don't. Just risk it with the weather. Leave the map at home. Don't tell anyone where you're going. It's no big deal. Until a strong wind brings a low-pressure system in from the west and you lose your way in a freak snowstorm in the middle of July in your sneakers and shorts. Your mom will never forgive you. Never. You'll seek refuge in a hollow tree and live off lichen and tree bugs. It'll be so disgusting. And then the tree bugs will plan a revolt and use their little wings to send an SOS to their forest friends, and a gang of hungry coyotes with sharp teeth and yellow eyes will show up at your tree. And all of a sudden, you'll seriously regret all the squats you did at the gym last month because your legs are looking mighty fine, like Sunday morning strips of bacon, actually. And oh my gosh, your mom is going to be so mad. Maybe just plan ahead and be prepared. Take the pledge to follow the Campers Code at camperscode.com.